Safe. Reliable. Easy to use. Three concepts that have made Expansion Seal Technologies the leading U.S. supplier of pipe, tube, and heat exchanger testing and plugging equipment. Founded in 1968, Expansion Seal Technologies has evolved into a world leader by adding sophistication and incorporating higher levels of sealing technology into our product line. Over the years, we have continually maintained our position of leadership by meeting the tube testing and plugging needs of our customers around the world. Our reputation for quality products, friendly service, and timely deliveries is well established with our worldwide customer base. And we have the distinction of being the first U.S. manufacturer of testing and plugging equipment to be certified by the international quality standard ISO 9001. By combining engineering experience and manufacturing capabilities, we have developed a complete line of easy-to-install tube plugging and testing products. The unique Pop-A-Plug tube plugging system offers a fast, safe method for sealing leaking heat exchanger or condenser tubes. And our high-quality test plugs provide efficient, cost-effective hydrostatic testing of pipe and tube welds and testing of welded flange-to-pipe connections. All of our products have been designed for fast, easy installation in specific applications. The highly reliable and safe Pop-A-Plug tube plugging system consists of three individual parts: a tapered pin, an internally tapered annealed ring with both internal and external serrations, and a breakaway section. After a tube has been prepared, Pop-A-Plugs are installed with the aid of a lightweight ram package in 10 to 15 seconds, providing an effective, permanent seal in working pressures to 7,000 psi. The installation process is quite simple. After preparing the tube to be plugged and confirming the tube ID, thread the appropriate size plug into the pull rod assembly and place it into the end of the tube. The Pop-A-Plug can be installed at any depth in the tube end as long as it's within the rolled area of the tube end. Finally, activate the air-driven hydraulic pump to operate the ram. The movement of the ram pulls the tapered pin through the ring, causing the ring to swell. When the ring contacts the tube wall, the serrations compress, sealing the tube. The load created by the compression of the ring increases until it exceeds the strength of the breakaway. When the plug pops, the installation is complete. With Pop-A-Plugs, you're assured that each plug is installed with a known, repeatable amount of force without damage to the tube wall, tube sheet, or tube sheet joints every time. Pop-A-Plugs are available in a variety of sizes and alloys to allow you to match the plug with the tube material and to ensure a proper fit. They're subjected to rigorous thermal cycle, pressure, creep, and helium leak tests. And with over 15 years of reliable field performance, Pop-A-Plugs have been proven to be the safest, most effective, and lowest final cost heat exchanger tube plugging method in power generation, refining, and petrochemical applications worldwide. The Pop-A-Plug system also offers a variety of benefits over conventional plugging methods. In the most commonly used method, hammer and taper plugs, the installer runs the risk of not knowing how much force should be used to install the plug. Hammering the plug too hard can cause the tube end to flare, or can cause cracking of the tube or tube sheet. Taper pins have also been known to eject, causing damage and even fatalities. In high-pressure situations, a hammer and taper plug is installed and seal welded to the end of the tube. The effectiveness of this method is limited by the skill of the welder, the close working conditions, and by moisture and scale that can lead to pitting and cracking. Welding and rewelding generates heat buildup in the tube sheet, which can cause premature failure of surrounding tubes. Unlike many methods that take several hours or even days to get a system back online, the Pop-A-Plug is an extremely effective mechanical plug that can be installed by maintenance personnel in a matter of minutes virtually eliminating downtime. Expansion Seal Technologies has also applied its experience to the development of numerous high-pressure test plugs. These unique products provide faster and safer means of hydrostatically testing pipe, piping systems, and pressure vessels. Our grip-tight high-pressure test plugs offer an unprecedented degree of safety for hydrostatic testing in a variety of applications. Utilizing a set of mechanical grips to restrain the plug and a long-wearing elastomer to seal, grip-tights are routinely used in service to 12,000 psi. Grip-tights are also reusable and are easily installed and removed. Our technologically superior flange weld test plugs offer a fast, safe, and simple means for welding and hydrostatically testing flange-to-pipe connections. These test plugs allow monitoring of upstream pressure in the pipe, isolation and purging of the weld area during welding, and hydrostatically testing the weld joint to assure compliance of ANSI B16.5 requirements. Flange weld test plugs use less than 2 gallons of water per test. This dramatically reduces waste treatment costs and eliminates the need for expensive vacuum trucks and pipeline dehydration services. Flange weld test plugs may also supplement or replace radiographic weld inspection. A major refinery has concluded that Expansion Seal Technologies' flange weld test plug paid for itself 1/4 of the way through its first use, and it's reusable. In addition to offering safe and reliable products that are simple to install, Expansion Seal Technologies strives to provide unmatched customer service. To maintain our reputation for product quality and to meet the standards required for ISO 9001 certification, we've made a total company commitment to quality assurance. From the time your application requirements are first presented to the final delivery of the product, each individual employee is responsible for controlling quality in his or her area. From sales engineering through administration, manufacturing, and shipping, our goal is to deliver the highest quality products to our customers, wherever and whenever they're needed. Once the product has been delivered, additional installation advice and technical assistance are available through our worldwide network of sales representatives and distributors who are ready to help you with your most demanding requirements. Our ongoing commitment to new product development and the highest levels of customer service keeps Expansion Seal Technologies the leader in tube testing and plugging technologies worldwide.